ready, Dean Engineer. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. As we commence the proceedings of today's inaugural ceremony, I would like to invite Mrs. Supriya.
So this mandala is our Lokeshwara mandala. Our Lokeshwara. That is the our Lokeshwara. Buddha on the right side, of the Buddha, you can see the small one. That is our Lokeshwara one, Buddha. Okay. You know that 14th Dalai Lama, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. We Tibetans, we consider His Holiness the Dalai Lama is the manifestations of the our Lokeshwara Buddha. And this year is His Holiness the Dalai Lama's 19th year. 19th year. And we are celebrating his birthday. And we are marking this. Important. And another thing that when you do meditation, don't do it too long. Maybe you can start from the 2 minutes. If you think that you can do the 2 minutes meditation very good, then you can add 1 more minutes, like 3 minutes, then 4 minutes, then 5 minutes, then 7 minutes, 10 minutes, like that. Okay, right from the beginning, if you do meditation for 1 hour or half an hour, then you feel that, oh, meditation is very tough. It's a big challenge for me. Then you will discontinue. Okay, so do it with very short period of time. Start with very easy, very small step, baby step. If you do it, then you will improve yourself. You will feel that, I can do it, I can do it. Then you will develop an interest to do it again and again. Okay, so do it with a simple step, baby step. It's very important to you.
Hello everyone, this is the second day of Tibet week and today we are at Dayananda Sagar University. In this college, around 15,000 students was studying in this college and they are getting lots of excitement and lots of curious towards our Tibetan cultures and our Tibetan products. So we had organized one small Tibetan stall where we sell Tibetan products, and on the other side we have exposure toward our Tibetan dresses and culture. So let's come with me.
Okay, my name is Pushpa. I'm studying in DSU. I'm doing my course this year. I'm first year. My course is robotics and AI. So I experienced this the first time. Now this is my friend Prema. She has wore this costume. So now I'll try mine. It is fun. Okay. This is very new for me. Exposing to this college event. Like there are so many events in this. This is also one event. It is very like interesting. Like I did not visit the northeast. So this is my first experience in Karnataka, Bangalore. It is very fun. Thank you.
Do you know about Tibet before? Yeah. Do you know about Tibet before?
Yeah, I watch vlogs in YouTube. So in personal, I never visited. I like to visit it in my future. Definitely, if I get chance, I'll visit. Yeah, I know about it. I have seen YouTube vlogs. Okay.
I like your culture and this dress. Wow.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Yeah.
Can you share your small experiences
Yeah, like
About your culture.
about the whole event?
yeah, it is very interesting. They have came from day before yesterday. Yeah, day before yesterday. So they conducted day before yesterday, today, and they'll conduct tomorrow, I guess. I'll call my other friends to visit here, have the experience here. Okay, that's it.
And also all the staffs and all are so nice. They talk.
Yeah, here all are very coordinating. They told us about culture. What is this costume called? They're helping us one by one. Actually, we came yesterday to try out the costume, but we did not get a chance because the time was up. So today we have come here. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
My name is Subhash, and I'm studying in Dayananda Sagar University, and I've taken electronics and communication as my branch. First of all, the experience has been so unique because I didn't expect such kind of unique collaborations would be happening in DSU, and I'm so overwhelmed by the respect, hospitality shown by all of you. So it's really I'm very grateful.
Have you known about Tibet before this event?
Yes, actually I knew about Tibet because I had been to Bailakuppe, which is in Coorg district. So there actually I was mesmerized by the architecture, the people. So yeah, I had known a little about it.
What is the best thing that you have found in this event?
Well, the best thing that I found in this entire platform is one, the costume round where we get a chance of wearing our costumes like this, which depicts the beautiful culture of Nepalis and all this Tibet region. And the other thing is the stalls which are put there, where actually I bought one of the garland of the letters yesterday. So it had really been a grateful experience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Tashi Delek, can you please introduce yourself?
Myself Sneha, and I am from Data Science Department from Dayananda Sagar University. Literally, I was so excited to be here and to wear this dress. Before I haven't worn like this type of dress, so I am happy to wear. I waited for a long time since from the day first. Today I got to wear. Yeah.
So what did you learn about our culture from this event?
Like it's a very beautiful. It's a different for us, for Indians. Being Indians, it's totally different. We are happy to share this with you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Sneha Patra. I'm a fifth semester student, AIML department. Same, even I'm Soumya from AIML department, 5th semester. No, we just went up and looked after the art and all, whatever they were doing. It was actually unique.
We got to know many things about Tibetan culture, languages. We saw the rangoli, or it was very creative. We really liked it.
The way they're doing it,
very
it's
calmly.
actually,
Yeah, liked it.
I mean, it takes a lot of patience to do that. It's great.
Like learning many things about different culture, like these 3 days. It was very good.
What is the one thing that you got to learn about our culture?
The one thing that I really appreciated is the different type of apparels like they are putting on, hats and all, everything. It's very creative and it's very beautiful. I had no idea that so many different types of dresses and everything are there in this.
Same, I love their artwork.
Yeah.
The way they do it, it was too much appreciable. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, 012. That one charger. Those can be.
Shidilek everyone, today is the first day of Tibet week which we are celebrating in Dayananda Sagar University, which is one of the top private university in Bangalore. Last year we have celebrated first Tibet week in Bangalore University. This time we are celebrating it in here. We are so delighted to host Tibet week. Thank you.
ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಪ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಕೂತ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೂರೋ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಪೋಸ್ಚರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಜಿಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೇಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಜಿಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? ಏನು ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೇಮ್ ನೀವು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ನೀವು ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್, ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತದೆ, ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ,
ಜಲ್ದಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅದು ಒಂಥರ ತೊಂದರೆನಾ?
ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ,
ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಂತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಜನ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ತೊಗೊಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಓ, ಆ ಥರ ತೊಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನೋಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದೆ.
So your mind, you have to keep it on the present time. So what your body is doing, what your what your speech is doing, you have to be careful.
What does speech in
Try to figure out, you study what is the advantage, what are the disadvantages. If you realize it, then the mindfulness and careful will come itself. Then your mindful will come itself. Then you will never make such a mistake.
regarding meditation?
Huh?
Regarding meditation.